This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an amendment on TaxSlayer. Sometimes, despite careful review, mistakes happen on your tax return. Whether it's an incorrect income amount, a missed deduction, or a change in filing status, amending your return ensures accuracy. We'll guide you through the process using TaxSlayer, making it straightforward to correct any errors and submit an updated return to the IRS. To begin, log into your TaxSlayer account and locate the accepted return you need to amend. It's crucial to have a copy of your original return for reference. Once inside the return, navigate to the amended return section, usually found on the left side menu. Here, you'll enter all the new or corrected information, such as adding a forgotten Form W-2 or adjusting a deduction amount. TaxSlayer will help populate Form 1040X with these changes. After making your corrections, carefully review Form 1040X. This form has 3 columns: original amounts, net changes, and corrected amounts. Ensure these figures align with your updated information. Next, you'll need to provide a brief, clear explanation for each change you made. If your federal amendment impacts your state taxes, remember to also prepare and file an amended state return. TaxSlayer will guide you through these steps to ensure everything is properly documented. Once your amended return is complete, you can often e-file federal amendments for the current tax year, especially if your original return was also e-filed. However, prior year amendments or those for originally paper-filed returns must be printed, signed, and mailed to the IRS. Remember that state amended returns typically require paper filing. The IRS usually takes up to 16 weeks to process amended returns. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while you wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.